Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's time to get back to school after a wonderful holidays. Happy New Year students. May this year get you knowledge and good grades. So now get back to studies. Welcome to your science class. I am your science teacher Miss Samia. Today we will going to read unit number 8, Light. So student, kindly open the book page number 44. Light. What is light? What do you think what the light is? We need light to see. Yes, now you can see in this picture, the one picture is dark and the other picture is light. We need light to see. Light comes from different sources. In this picture you can see there is day and night, and the difference is that on the one picture there is a day which have light in it, and in the other picture you see the night, there is no light in it. Without light there is darkness. What is light? Light is a form of energy that travels in a straight line. People and animals can see because there is light. Light is a form of energy. Now you can see in this picture, on the one side there is a candle, and on the other side there is a girl, and there is a pipe in between them. So when the pipe is straight, the light reaches the eye. The person is able to see the light. But if the pipe is little bit bent, the light will get blocked. Why? Because light travel in a straight line. Sources of light. We can see an object when light falls on it. Light comes from various sources. Natural source of light which are not man-made. So our main natural light source is the sun. Our sources include fire, stars, and man-made lights sources such as light bulbs and other. So we will see and we will learn about it. Thanks to light we can see a life in glorious colors. Now you can see this is the natural source of light, and the natural source of light which are not man-made, which come with the nature. The one is sun, star, and fireflies. Now what is the other sources of light? These are artificial sources which are man-made, and these are lamp, matches, candle. So there are two categories in the sources of light. One is man-made and the other is the natural source. So beside the sun, the other source also provide light. Burning objects give off light. So do some animal like fireflies and certain fish also give us light. Lightning and electric light bulb also produce light. Now in this picture you can see there are different sources of light. Now students, you have to tell us that which are natural and which are artificial. So take a page and write it down, which is the natural source of light and which are the artificial source of light. Light from the sun. takes 8.3 minutes for light to travel from the sun to the earth. Have you imagined how? How far is the sun from the earth? It is 150 million kilometer. But the light travel in 8.3 minutes. Light move at the fastest known speed in the universe. The fastest speed in the universe is the light speed. Nothing moves faster than the speed of light. To give you an idea how fast light is, we will give you some examples. The sun is almost like 150 million kilometers from the earth. It takes around 8 minutes for light to get from the sun to the earth, and it takes around 1.3 seconds for light to go from the moon to the earth, because moon is near to the earth as compared to the sun. So how much time it takes? 1.3 seconds. And from the sun to the earth, 8.3 minutes. There is less light further away from the source, and there is more light near to the source. Now you can see there is a book, and the source of light is the lamp, and it is very near, and you can see the book very clearly. But in the other picture, you can see the source of light is candle, and it is very far from the book. You cannot see clearly. Luminous and non-luminous object. Luminous object. Some things that give out light by itself is called luminous object. For example, sun, burning coal, fire, candle, torch. So these all objects which gives light, either they are natural or man-made, they all are luminous object. So luminous objects are those objects which gives light. So all those objects with natural, artificial, they give light, they are luminous. Non-luminous object. Some things which cannot give out light by itself is called non-luminous object. For example, a book, a table, house, door, etc. So like tree, book, shoes, animals, they don't give us the light. So they all are non-luminous object. The moon is a non-luminous body. We cannot see the moon because light from the sun falls on it. As we have read it in the previous units, that moon do not have its own light. It takes light from the sun. So sun is the source of light. Sun is the luminous object, and moon do not have its own light. Moon reflect the light. So moon is non-luminous object. Now you can learn the difference and see the difference clearly. Luminous object which gives the light. Non-luminous object which cannot give its own light. So the sun is luminous and moon is non-luminous. I hope you understood. Okay student, now you have to read this unit again and again and make yourself clear about it. Inshallah, I will see you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.